This is one of those completely unnecessary but really cool projects that honestly I might not even use it the day after I film it. A lot of times during the day, especially when I'm working in the shop, I just completely forget to drink water. It's really not good and it makes my eyes super dry. I wanted to build a physical reminder for myself, something besides those water tracking apps on your phone. So I built this. The water I drink and the water I use to make coffee comes from this 10-liter jug. And really cool things about this is the glowing effect when you shine a light through underneath, and you saw that. I didn't film a lot of the build process because I wasn't even sure I was going to make a video about it. But the concept is simple. You have to drink water every 2 hours. If you don't, the jug turns red and the light won't turn off until you actually get some water, which triggers this limit switch right here. That's pretty much it. To build it, I use an Arduino Nano board, and for the coding part, I relied entirely on ChatGPT.